welcome back to my channel and welcome to another comparison video. In today's video we will be doing a quick comparison between the two very popular concealers, which is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and another one is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser concealer. Now both of these concealers are super popular and drugstore, I mean they're pretty affordable. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer retails for 475 rupees and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind retails for 620 rupees. Both of these are available in 9 different shades, which is I think great. I think they have colors for all skin tones and both of these are pretty hydrating. They do not dry out your skin or makes it patchy, and they are medium coverage concealers. So the Maybelline Fit Me concealer comes with a wand like this. You can easily apply a concealer with its wand. It is super soft and easy to glide, while the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind comes with a sponge on the top like this. Now what you have to do is you have to twist the concealer like this, and then the concealer will come out from all the places on this sponge. So this one is also very easy to apply and I like this concept. This is something new to me, but I feel that the cap gets really dirty because of this concept. So far packaging wise I feel that Fit Me concealer is better. So I first purchased the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I was not actually completely satisfied with this one, and then the Age Rewind one is also quite popular and it has very good reviews. So I thought of buying another one from Maybelline and see if it likes better than the Fit Me one. So this is my quick story about how I got these two concealers, and I have used this one a lot. Right now I am using this concealer. So in this video I will apply both of these and share my reviews on both of these concealers. So at the end of this video you will find out that which of these concealers is better than the another one. So do watch this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel then please do subscribe, and now without further ado let's start with the application of these concealers. Okay, so right now I haven't applied anything on my face. I mean no concealer, no foundation. I have only applied this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base cream. Now this product is my cult favorite and it creates a very nice base to apply any foundations or concealer, and it hydrates the skin really well. So I have only applied this Bobbi Brown cream so far just to moisturize my skin. And now I will try first the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. I have got two shades of this concealer. So for my complexion the shade Caramel works well, but just to highlight the under eye area I sometimes use Ivory, or sometimes I just mix both of these and use it. But for this video I will use the shade Caramel because this one matches my complexion more. So I'll apply the shade Caramel first. So I have a little bit of darkness over here and on my lid area as well. So I will first apply it over here, and this is how I generally apply my concealer. Apply it like this, and what I do is I just leave it for some time. I do not blend it immediately, because what happens is when you apply a concealer and you will just blend it immediately, it won't give you a nice coverage. So just let your concealer dry for some time, like a minute or two, and then you can blend it with your sponge. So it's been 2 minutes now, and now I will take my tiny beauty blender. This type of beauty blender is perfect to blend eye concealers on the small section of your eye areas. I will just very softly dab it and push it into my skin. Okay, so we are done with the Fit Me concealer. I really like that it blends very smoothly, and now I will try the Age Rewind concealer on another eye. So this one is really easy to apply. It's just that you cannot cover very small section with these because of the sponge. And that's it, and now I will wait for another 2 minutes for it to settle down a bit, and then I will blend it with my beauty blender. eyes, and on this eye I applied the Fit Me concealer and this one the Age Rewind. And I hope you can make out that this one has given more coverage. I mean, the Age Rewind concealer has given more coverage as compared to the Fit Me concealer. I haven't applied any loose powder or anything on top of it. This is the coverage it has given to my face as well. The Age Rewind concealer has concealed really well as compared to the Fit Me one. I have applied both of these concealers for more than 10 hours, and the Maybelline Fit Me one started to crease little bit while the Age Rewind concealer stayed intact like that. So I think Age Rewind is pretty long lasting as well. Now both of these concealers are really nice, but if you ask me to pick one of these, then I will choose the Age Rewind concealer. I think it is evident now that I like the Age Rewind concealer more. So if you have not picked any of these so far and you're planning to buy, then I will suggest you to buy the Age Rewind concealer. I just feel that this is one of the best drugstore concealer I have come across so far. So yeah, that was all about the comparison between these two concealers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon in the next one soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.